On YouTube, boy Ryan Flicks, I'm back with another video. This video gonna be my first mod for my Camaro. I got the y'all know I had them on my charger, like the little, hold up, these right here, the little LED side marker lights. So I got these. They're gonna be my first mod, my first little touch to my car. So I'm gonna install these too. So I'm finna go out there. I'm finna install these. I'm gonna show y'all how to install them and everything like that. I think I know what I'm doing. I've been looking at YouTube videos. But I'm finna get into it though, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. The lights right here. Y'all know what lights is. I'm finna change them out right here. The front, the easy. I'm gonna start with the back though. The front, the easy. See, you gotta, probably can't see. It's a little, these screws right here. You got 3 of them on each side. I think you only gonna have to remove 2 on this side right here. This one and that one down there. But the back, the hardest one. Cause the tires, you got bigger tires and shit like that. Look how much like space you got. You ain't got clearance, whatever they call it. You ain't got enough. And they got the same little screw. You gonna need one of these. This a T15 bit, screw bit. Hold on, see it right there. But yeah, I'm gonna start right here in the back since these the hardest one. Finna get into it. Here you go right here. And then this a ratchet. So you're gonna need a ratchet with the T15 screw bit. Oh, that's the wrong way right here. Just showing y'all like pretty, get it in there. Then start taking it off. I can't do it one hand though, so when I get this out, I'm gonna show y'all how to unclamp this shit when I get this out. Hold on. I got the screws out. Then you want to get like a little pry tool, whatever. Let me see what one be a good one. Man, hold on. Probably use this one right here. Hold up. Trying to show y'all. You did just to just pry it out. Then you see in the that's it right here, but damn, hold up. When you able to see up in there, then you gonna push one little button. See like right. You probably can't tell. I can't really tell, man, but it's some little like clamps that's up in there that holding it up. You gonna push them in so the light can pop out. Let me get the light out and I'll show y'all when I get it out. I'm gonna be dirty here when I get up. But yeah, you gonna push it like, hold up. These the clamps right here. Like you see how they is, these the back. So you gonna push this one up, the bottom one, and you gonna push the top one down so it get unclamp up out of here right here. And once you do this, you just squeeze this off. Shit. It's the way this right here come out. I wanna say you squeeze it down. No, hold up. I think you push this, then pull. I just got this out. So yeah, this how it gonna look when it come out, but like right here with my hand there right here, you gonna push that down, then you gonna pull the other part, and they gonna unclamp. Then right here, you take the gray part, you pull this out right here. Yeah, you pull this out. I did, alright. I already did it, but show y'all. When you do it, you're gonna twist and pull at the same time. Like you see this, got the little notches in there. Twist it, then they're gonna like unlock, then when you put it off. Then you just do the same for each each side. I'm finna go through the other side, or the back tie. When I take that out, then I'm gonna come back to y'all. And then I'm gonna show y'all, before I put them on, I'm gonna show y'all how you gotta do it. I just got the other side off. It's the same thing, like what you do on the other, like the real side on the other side, you come on this side, you do the same thing. Then you get them off. Then now I still gotta do the front too though, but you wanna just get them out and like make sure that they match. But they do this shit every time. Like they know I be fucking recording. But you want to get it out and just make sure. Let me see. Wrong side. Want to make sure that they match each other. Just like that. Now I'm finna go to the front. You done right there. Got this one off. Alright. Front the same thing. The only thing about the front, you're gonna have to like turn your wheel. That's why I said it's easy. Let me turn my wheel right quick. Alright, man, I've been waiting on the lights cut off, but I gotta cut them by myself. No, it just cut off. Now that you got your wheel turned, it's gonna look like this. Now it's gonna be easier for you to get to the 3 screws that you need to get to. You get the same thing over. You gonna use it, hold on. Like, yeah, I loosen them. Do all 3. Might not have to do this. I'm still do it though. You can just doing like halfway to you can spin it with your hand. Just like that. Then get it 2. I did it 1 hand. I'm trying to break no shit, man. Well, I ain't even gotta put it all out, but alright. Hold on. See the little arm right here with my hand, and you're gonna push that down, and you got another one down there, you're gonna push that one up and pop it out. Then you're gonna make sure that they match. Like so these 2 right here match. So you wanna do that, then you know I told you twist. And put it out like this. You gonna pull the bulb out. All right, now. I got it out now, y'all. At first it was kind of hard. I wasn't trying to break that, but you got to put a little force on it. Like right, as you pull, yank it out. Then hold on. Then you get this right here. You gonna get this, then you gonna plug this up like this. I don't think it matter what side. Same shit. Make sure that down up in there like that. And you put all your wires back up in here. Be careful while you're doing it. You don't want to break no shit. And once you get it in, you're gonna push it in like this. And then make sure it's on the right side. clamping at it. Let me test it out first. Like, yeah, unlock the button or something. Like that. Then push it in. Hold on. Everything like that. I want to do the other one real quick. Got a little gap right here. Hey, I'm finna take it out right quick, and I'm finna just do this one go up in there right quick. All right, y'all. They the same way. So you put it in there. You know, just check it. Hold on. Let me hit my unlock button. Pop on like that. Then you go and put your screws back in and go and tighten it back up. And go to the next side, do the same thing. Same thing over. All right, y'all. Now I'm on the back. I'm gonna go and do the back, and then after I do the back one, then show y'all, I'm gonna just do the rest on them. Then I'm gonna show y'all when they all installed and shit. But you're gonna do the same thing. Pull this off. You know, twist. Damn, man. Unlock it. And wiggle the bulb out. It'd be hard to come out a little bit. Man, look at me down here. God damn. Hey, you gonna wiggle this motherfucker out? Then, hold on, man. I'm trying to show y'all. So, get out the full what's going. I'm gonna get back with y'all now. Get down with it up. Yeah, I had to put my damn work gloves on so I can get a better grip for it. That's a good. I advise y'all to put some gloves on when y'all pulling these bulls out. You know, you grip that motherfucker and bring it straight on out. But you're gonna take it out like this. And get the new on, like plug this up, like get this, plug this up, push it down up in there. And ain't that good? You're gonna get this part right here, line it up with the, you see how, like, this side right here bigger than this side smaller. It's the same way inside them little holes right here. Shit, man. Get the big one, then, oh yeah. I can take down gloves out now, hold on. But you're gonna get the big one, and get your wire down up in there. And line it up like I had said. Then you're gonna feel like it can't, what's called, at first I thought it couldn't fit, but you just push down, put a little pressure on it. And push it down like that. Then what you're gonna do is plug it up, line it up with this right here, this side right here. Plug it up through there like that. Wait till it snap. Hold on, make sure. Yeah. You're gonna go in, and you're gonna hear that little snap. And you just push it back in. Oh, y'all, don't trip. And you're gonna push it back in like that and lock it in. And then repeat the same thing. Just repeat the same thing for each side. Then you'll be all done. Yeah, I just finished. I just pulled it up to like an empty parking lot real quick so I can show y'all around the whole car. Hey, it's dirty. I gotta give me a car wash. I ain't got a car wash like since I bought it. I'm gonna go that weekend and give me a car wash though, but let me show y'all though, man. Yeah, look, this just daytime though. I'm gonna wait till later on tonight. I'm gonna go show y'all like how it look when it's fully like dark outside. And man, I'm dirty as fuck too, bro. I just got out of work. Look at my nails, man. Like I've been working on the car or something. But I just got out of work, then I came back home and got right back dirty after I just took a shower. So y'all gotta make sure y'all subscribe now. But there they look though. It make it a little better too, cause they blacked out. I gotta buy me some more rims too, man. All that right there coming. I told you I gotta add my own touch to everything. yeah, I'm getting the car out this weekend though. But yeah, when it get dark, I'm gonna come back out here. I'm gonna do it in front of my house this time, but I'm gonna go back outside and I'm gonna let y'all see how it look. Yeah, it's dark right here now. I'm finna give y'all a better view. I'm finna crank it up too though. Way better right there. But yeah, they're gonna be the end of that video. No matter my fault, like it's out right there. They gotta fix it. I guess it went out when I first bought it or something. I'm waiting on it to come in, so, and they gonna call me when they bring it, but that besides the point. But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Hit that notification bell. Give me to 1,000 subscribers.
Yeah, flexing hard, bitch, I'm up, I swear to God. I'm so used to counting money, I'm counting million in the dark.